Today we're taking a look at a very simple 60-watt soldering iron. This is one of those tools that when you need one, they really come in handy and there's really no other way to do the job without one. However, you don't need it frequently enough unless you're a professional that you need to spend a lot of money to get one. This one I found to be a fantastic kit. I'm going to show you everything that goes in it and the things that I've used it for and the benefits of it. So if we just open it up, of course, just a very simple plug-in soldering iron. This one does have a really nice on-off function with a light indicating that it's on. I burned myself before with other soldering irons, so that is important. I know it sounds funny, but it is. And then you've got the temperature indicator. Now the numbers on this are very small, so you'll need to really, have your glasses on or find somebody that has better vision than I do. But it's got a temperature indicator that you can dial. It's got a protective cap here, but if you wanted to change out these tips, it does come with a variety. Let's see, there's 5 additional tips. You just screw off this collar. That comes off, and now it's as easy as that. You just replace the tips. So you can have wider tips, a more fine tip. I was just doing some work for the very fine tip. I was fixing a remote that actually had a soldered in battery, and the only way to replace that is to either replace the entire remote at a cost of $80, or I bought a $4 battery on Amazon, and I was able to fix it with this soldering iron. It also came with some solder, and it came with some flux for the solder and a stand. And on that stand, there's also a wetting sponge that goes into the stand, so when you're cleaning the tip of the soldering iron off. So there you go. It's just very simple, but it works. It was great. It had all the tips that I needed. Actually came with a solder, so I didn't have to buy any additional. And I just keep it all together in this nice box, and I have it the next time I use it. Make sure you check it out if you're ever in the need of a soldering iron, but really do so before you're in need of a soldering iron.